Order filled.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Brightness. And next time over you, harshness, light harshness. For Dorian mode, for brightness.
Order filled.
And never come on in all the sun that show up. Can you know you loved? Dorian mode for brightness. Dorian mode for brightness. Dorian mode for brightness. Dorian mode brightness. Dorian mode for brightness. Dorian mode for brightness. Dorian mode for brightness. Dorian mode brightness.
Shaq and his team dive into the game, trading like sharks, no room for shame. Strategy so sharp, like a knife in the night. Every move calculated, every risk we fight. In the matrix. We're the kings of the game, trading like sharks, no room for shame. Strategy so sharp like a knife in the night. Every move calculated, every risk we fight in the matrix. We're the kings of the trade, riding high. Our wealth's never to fade, sharp as a blade. Our confidence is bold in the market. We're never cold. Through the chaos, through the pain, we rise above. We never wane. Each trade a victory, each also lessons. In the matrix, we're never at a loss. From the depths to the peaks, we ascend. With every win, we feel our power bend. Traded like pros in the eye of the storm. Our success is our greatest form. The market's our playground. We play the game with every trade. Our confidence remains no matter the risk. We take it on in the matrix. We're never alone in the matrix. We're the kings of the trade, riding high. Our wealth's never to pay, sharp as a blade. Our confidence is bold in the market. We're never cold.
Good morning, everybody. What is up? Your boy's down this morning. Your boy's down already. And I went a little hard trying to short setup, but I'm all good with it. That's what you guys were hearing. Order filled. Order rejected or order filled. But we are here. Good morning to everybody. Good morning. Gotta lower this volume down a little bit for you. Probably too low now. Hold on. There you go. What's up? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Morning. Well, we shorted in this supply and we got caught. So I got caught, I should say. Didn't play out. I went in a little hard because I like the setup pretty much, and I took 3 shots at it. Especially the one wick here on the candle wick high. With this rejection, that was my last try, and got stopped out. So starting the morning red, but we've been here before. This is how it usually is. Well, not usually. This is trading, essentially. So yeah, but we show up, and we accept kind of what we got in front of us. We got caught. Yeah. It was a good setup. I was at Starbucks waiting for my Tesla to finish charging, and essentially, we're in this 1 hour supply right here, right? And then we have high, lower, high. So we would have, if earlier would have shorted here in this supply, that would have worked, which was fine. But I missed out on that, obviously. And then I saw this 5-minute candle break this swing low, this one right here. So I was like, okay, that triggers me short. But at this point, didn't work out. So that's trading. That's trading 101. The setup doesn't always work. It works X amount of time, but not all the time. Yeah. What is up, everybody? What is up? How's everybody feeling this morning, eh? take a look at NQ also. We have job openings today, so it's a pretty what is it called? Gonna be a pretty volatile morning, I should say. So Manny, what's up, bro? Good morning. What strategy am I using? I am using supply and demand. Supply and demand with market structure. So far so good. Trying to make this 1.5 for the day. Nice, dude. Trying to pass a combine. Oh, Eric. Yeah, that's right. You trying to pass that combine. Something doesn't always work. We should always take it if we are trading 100%. So is the same thing with what they call price action? Not really. I mean, price action is us watching, what happens within these candles. So yes, there's a little bit of that. I don't necessarily have that as a confluence for me to enter and take a trade, but PA or price action is definitely part of it. We need gold to create some new highs. Yeah, I mean, it looks like with this new 1 hour candle that formed, we want to push higher. There is a 1 hour supply right up here, so potentially shorts there. But as of right now, there's a demand right here, and then this is the current session high right here. I'm looking at buys down here. If it rejects for whatever reason, I'm going to look to enter long in this 5-minute demand to push for this swing high. Flip my bias. Hey, thank you for the sub. Means a lot. Appreciate it. Ahmed SMC. Welcome to the trading family. But we took an L this morning, y'all. We took an L. But we've been here. Y'all already know. Y'all already know how this works. We've been down $1,000 before, just to come back and make $200. It's the way it goes. That's the way the cookie crumbles. We need to create new highs. I'm up 70K for the competition. Bro, that's crazy. Congrats, bro. What place are you in now, Manny? And what you guys doing? Tap the freaking like button, eh? Tap them for your boy. Hit that. You gotta hit that like button. It helps you get the morning started right. Whenever you tap the like button, the world knows. It's like, oh, snap. Like, we need to tap the like button for my day to get better. Or for me to have a good day. What's up, SAS NQ? I haven't looked at NQ for a few minutes here, but I'm watching gold. Story Guru, good morning, good morning. I'm going to pull up NQ on my other screen here. NQ not looking too bad. I'm learning trading on price action this week. Volume effed me up. Not sure how to pass my funded account. Just choose a strategy and then, kind of stick to it and make sure you take that exact setup only, right? Whenever you try to follow strategy, but then you take other trades, that's when it messes you up. So if you have a strategy that you're following, try to do your best just to follow that one strategy, nothing else. Then you can see if it works. Analysis NASDAQ. Yes, I will do NASDAQ really quick. I'm so sorry. I'm just watching this. I want to make sure that I don't miss out on it. So let me put an alert here. Take this off and I'll just put an alert. All right, let's take a look at NASDAQ for you. So we have NASDAQ. If we're just looking at current price structure, we're pushing higher on the 1 hour. So we've got a 1 hour supply, which we're in right now. And then we have a 1 hour demand, which we're about to tap. That's kind of the two areas that we're looking for trade. So it's kind of tight. We zoom down to the 5 minute. We have lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, low. And then we broke all of this price action. So potentially looking for longs is what I'd be looking for in this 1 hour demand. So somewhere right here, I'd be looking for longs because of all of this price action was broken by these few candles here. We closed above it. So that, based on our setup, we'd be looking for longs on NQ, which I'd be happy to put some alerts down there to potentially look. Also, vice versa, with this current price action, we'd be looking for shorts, unfortunately. So it's like higher high, lower high, higher high, and then we broke this higher low, this 5 minute candle structure. So we'd be looking for shorts in this 5 minute supply if we wanted to. But with price so close to each other, it's pretty hard to tell what to do. So I won't be trading in Q, but we're pushing these highs right here. We closed above it on the 1 hour. So maybe some sort of retracement before we push up higher to 26,153. And then there is a 1 hour demand down here. And then we still have all of this to fill up at some point. When? I don't know. But at some point it will happen. That's NQ for you. Done like. Nice, JC. That means you're going to have a good day, brother. Appreciate the like, man. It means a lot. Angel, what up? Oh, Angelo. Sorry. I called you Angel. Angelo, what's up? My manager is Angel. She works for me. That was on purpose. Just you want to build tension for people to wonder what's going to happen next. True. Are you saying because I'm red, what's going to happen next? That's true. Hey, let's see what happens, y'all. See what happens. Let me just bring us back to gold. Looks like we're gonna break the highs without us. I was hoping for it to come down to this 5 minute supply, our demand. Still fourth, bro. That's not bad, man. These other guys are crazy. The only way to get in first is to break any rules, to be honest. Number one guy's up 140K today. What in the world? What do you win if you win, though? Like, if you're number one, what's the competition? What do you get? Q should have the volume in 20 minutes. Q should have the volume in 20 minutes. The QQQ? Are you talking about QQQ? Good day, bro. I took profit 370 on NQ today. Not really bad for 2 micros. Bro, that's the market that we're in right now, bro. Good for you. Making that moolah, bro. Making that moolah. All right, we're gonna push for those highs. I was looking for longs here, but doesn't look like it's gonna happen for us. So at this point, I'd be looking for shorts up here for NQ, or for gold, I should say. Somewhere here, be looking for shorts. What time is job openings? An hour and 14 minutes. So 8 o'clock. Sheesh. We got a while till then. First place is $2,000. 2 to 100th place are live and eval accounts. Dang, that's not bad. That's not bad. That's not a... What prop firm is this? That's not a bad deal. Yes, sir. Kapabayan, musta? I'm Filipino. I was speaking Tagalog. I don't know Tagalog too well, but... Alright, so gold's kind of leaving without us. Nothing too interesting for us right now. Dare I say shorts on NQ? I kind of like shorts on NQ in this 5-minute supply, which we already tapped. And then take profit in our 1 hour demand. But it's so close. I don't want to push anything right now. It's just everything's, the 1 hour demands are so tight together. Like we have a 1 hour supply and then we have this 1 hour demand right here, right? We look for trades within the 1 hour demand and 1 hour supply. And the boxes are so close, right? There's not much direction here. We might be pushing to make new highs, which, not new highs, but break these swing highs, which I'd be more inclined to take is a longs in this demand. I think I'd be a bit more... Hey, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Appreciate you. I'd be more inclined to want to take a long in this demand. Reason being is on the 1 hour, we closed above this. We had candle bodies close above it. So potentially I'm thinking 1 hour comes down and then pushes for the highs. But, you know, could be wrong. This technically is a setup that we will want to take, so I'm going to keep my eye on it. And not looking for a home run, but I do like the setup. Excuse him. Everyone hit that like button. Like button. I have a song made for a Shaq giveaway and he hasn't heard it yet. Oh, that's right. All right. I'll do one more giveaway today. Okay. But we're going to have to hit it hard. 25K funded hero and a 50K TX3 funded account. 70K, 75K in evals. I'll give it away for 75 likes. It's 1 for 1. It's got to be 1 for 1. So 75 likes equals 50K TX3 and 25K funded Hero. Giveaway. All right, it's live. We hit 75 likes. I'm gonna give away 75K in funding or evals. But we got to hit that mark. Yeah, it's not gonna be easy. Everyone, please hit the like button. Eric's telling him. Eric's just pointing out. Listen to the guy. I got in on silver last night at 81,325. Still got it running, so hopefully I can remain in my rank or pass someone. Oh, you guys are able to swing on the thing, bro. Money. Good job, dude. I know Dylan was trying to trade that silver. Man, you jumped into Discord. 75 likes, guys. 75 likes. DMS. Good morning. Good morning. Smash the like button so that Will can have me play the giveaway song. Ay caramba. Sorry. I'm just reviewing this one more time. We're on a 1 hour demand. It's going to be a 5-minute demand. And pushing these highs. Yo, got a Discord. Can I join? Oh, yeah, that's right. It's in the description. I forgot to post this in the pinned comments. It is completely free for now. The Discord is completely free for now. That might change in the future. You know, you never know. It's in the pinned comments, and I just posted it. Buzz, what's up, bro? Good morning. Good morning. Check gold. Bro, that's what I lost money on this morning was gold, bro. Gold did us dirty, bro. It did us dirty. Gold breaking my heart. Okay, so there could be a potential long on gold in the 5-minute demand right now, but there's another demand below that I'm a bit more intrigued to go long in. Let me check the 1 hour. We did tap the 200 on the 1 hour, so it's a little bit, might be a little bit sketch, might want to break down. So I'm not going to take it on gold. Not going to take it on. There's too many variables in my mind when I'm looking at gold, to be honest. Bro, why is trading view slow this morning, bro? How to win the 50K account. We all have to get 75 likes on the stream, and then I'll tell you guys what to comment on the stream once we hit 75 likes. You got to give me OG access when it's not free. Anybody that's in is in, so there won't be. I will keep my word on that. If you're in, there's like 300 something people right now. Actually, it's either we keep the Discord free and there's a free section. Oh, what in the? Oh, wow. I forgot to take out these orders on freaking gold. On the evals. All right, I'm going to get out of that. All right, we're in the 5-minute demand on gold right now. Oh, forgot. Let me finish my thought. The Discord will probably always be free, but then there will probably be some sort of like paid membership to be a part of, you know, a smaller group of people that will potentially trade with us in a different way. I don't know. But that's neither here nor there. I don't need to do that to make money. thankfully God, I don't know why I said God. I'm just thankful God has a business for me. I have a business that makes me enough income to cover my expenses and whatnot. So I don't necessarily need to close the Discord to start making money. So I can, I do well on my own without making any money from the Discord. So all of this is free. I have no intentions anytime soon to monetize, sell a course, anything. Will I say that I won't ever do that? No. One day, I think the knowledge that I have for the last 6 years is valuable somewhere and worth some sort of dollar amount. So I'd be happy to give that, or maybe like coaching, working with people one-on-one, talking through their psychology. I'm down to do that. But for now, bro, we're just chilling. We're just having fun and having a good time. Okay. It's NFP week this week, right? I don't know if it's NFP, but there's a lot of news and there is a lot of earnings. Shaq with the vocals, that's right. I know, bro. I shocked you guys with my vocals. No auto-tune needed. NASDAQ looks good long. NASDAQ long looks good. Yeah, I'm looking at longs here in this 5-minute demand to see if we get there. There's another break of structure on gold. I don't understand. We have another break of structure here. Bro, trading view is slow. I have my alerts on NQ also. Dang it. I was trying to go long here on gold in this 5-minute demand. I'll take it on the pullback if it does. Okay, well, that's leaving without us, and that's all good. Technically speaking, we would want to short this 5-minute supply as long as we're in a 1-hour supply, which we aren't in the most perfect 1-hour supply right now. So, can't really decide if I want to take it short or not, but we missed out on the longs. I don't want to rush it. Oh, dang. I need to make another Discord. Discord leads link. Sorry, not new Discord. Off the 5-minute breaker block. Yeah, I think we're looking at the same thing. 5-minute demand on gold on NQ. Which I have an alert there. Hasn't tapped it yet. Do you trade supply and demand? Yes, I do. You know what's cool? I trade ICT, but my levels looking long off is around the same as your demand area. The strats, different strats, but most people execute same traders. Super cool to think about. Yeah, you know what? Everybody calls some of the same setups different things. Like Dylan, he's a verified trader. He's part of the Discord. He's somebody you guys can rely on. He's in there talking. He trades live on the Discord with us. He's an SMC trader. He learned the concepts of SMC, or ICT, I should say. He trades ICT. But every, like, all the terminologies are pretty much the same. He says this, and I say, because he's been to my office and we've been over our trades. It's like, yeah, that's where we would go. He's, oh yeah, that's the same thing I do. I was like, oh, well, there you go. So SMC, ICT, ABC, 1, 2, 3. I don't care. It pretty much is all somewhat correlated and somewhat the same. Low key.
Order filled.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that just happened. That just happened. That's the risk that you take. That's the risk that you take whenever you freaking just have limit orders like that. Not looking too hot for us with that volume.
Order filled.
Yo. We down $1,000 this morning. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Baby, let me love you down. There's so many ways to love you. Baby, let me hold you down. That's where that song just came to mind when I said, oh my gosh. Then let me love you down. There's so many ways to love you. Sorry, guys. We're down $1,000. Burn. Today's just burning today. It just, I'm getting burnt. Back tomorrow. Today not good for me. 100%, guys. 100. I'm totally cool losing what I just lost. Honestly, like, no lie. I'm very at peace with my losing. I'm gonna give this stab one more time. One more game. We're trying to go up to this 5-minute supply. I'm taking another stab. Oh my. Oh no. Your boy's getting cooked left and right, everybody. I'm getting cooked left and right. Yeah, guys, I'm totally fine with the losses. Just so you know, I'm not against the losses.
Order filled.
This is going to be the worst I've been down before on the stream. This will be the worst. But this is why I do it live. This is why I do it live. Oh! Oh! Yo! 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 Your boy got cooked. Oh no, don't. I added in, I had to lower my stops.
Order filled.
You're oh no, I gotta walk away. Your boys you're watching somebody on tilt. I'm not shy to show it, but I'm a little bit on tilt, okay guys? I'm a little bit on tilt. I'm on tilt. I'm on tilt. Your boy's on tilt. Your boy's on tilt. Your boy's on tilt. Yeah, I'm revenge trading. I recognize that now how I feel. I am so on tilt.
Order filled.
Yo! Guys, I have not been this down before. I have not been this far down before. Yo, what in the world, Shaq? Gotta breathe, bro. Gotta breathe. This is the worst it's ever been. This is the worst it's ever been. I mean, literally, we just locked in 27K in payouts last month. So, you know, I don't know, like, I guess that first loss this morning really got to me. So I'm kind of like pushing it, but I'm good. I'm good. Okay? I'm good. I'm getting a grip of myself. Just so you guys know, I'm legitimate. I'm on tilt right now. Okay? I'm a legitimate trader. I've been here before. This one's kind of bad. I've been down 1,000, 2,000, 1,100, 1,200. But right now, I'm a little bit on tilt. I'm a little bit on tilt. Okay? Getting chopped up pretty hard. So, let me see. We've got 1,700. These I've got 800 left. But I technically am about to go to live trading with TopStep, and I don't want to go live. So everything that I listened to last night says to technically blow the accounts that I'm supposed to go on a live account with TopStep. After today, they probably don't want to take me on as a live trader, which is fine with me because I don't want to go live. I just want to trade Express accounts. So, yeah. Full port. Oh man, look, is it easy trading live in front of you guys and like you guys watching me do this? No, it's not. And I mean, if you don't do this, okay, sweet. I mean, you're a perfect trader, but like this is the reality. This is legitimately the reality. We went short this morning. I already went short this morning in this 5-minute supply, and I got stopped out. I went a little too hard, I think. I tried 3 times, but I pushed a little too hard was the problem. Like I sized up a little bit more thinking, oh, this is A++, let me size up. And I added into the trade, and I took the shot, right? Then I'm looking at longs here, right? I'm like, okay, we broke these swing highs. Time to look for longs in this demand right here. The demand that we're in right now, looking for longs. But I'm getting chopped up trying to go long. I'm sizing in and then I'm getting stopped out. So I'm just getting chopped up and then I'm going in too much size. I'm going in 3 micros, which my stops are going to be so tight. I'm looking for more. The question I need to ask is, why am I looking for more? Why am I trying to make more? You know what it is? I figured it out. I know why. I know why I'm on tilt. I'm going to explain why. This is real talk. Like if I was by myself journaling and like talking to myself about what's going on today, I would be writing this. And I'm just sharing it with you guys so you can see like what goes through my head and maybe what, you know, what we should reflect on and ask yourselves. So here's why I am on tilt this morning and why I'm pushing the pedal. This is why. Because I secured $26,000 in payouts last month with TopStep, I am feeling pressured with, you know, Discord and everybody here and like the community's growing and people are following the trades, and I'm pressuring myself to try to beat last month. Like, you made 25K last month, you should be able to do more this month. You should size up, you should try to make more. And those are the thoughts that's subconsciously that's eating at me. And did I expect to make 25 grand last month? No, I didn't. I didn't expect to do that. It just happened. And why did it happen? Because I wasn't thinking about it. But now, because I did secure the bag last month, I feel pressured to perform. Now that I know that, I'm going to back off, relax. I'm not saying that I'm not going to trade. I'm totally fine taking the next trade. But I will say, securing last month, now that I have thought about it so much, I feel pressured to have to do better than I did last month. That performance mindset is ruining me and could ruin other traders too. If you think I got to do better than last month, because then I'm pushing the envelope. Like, there's emotional ties to it. And I have a roof over my head. I have clothes on my back. I have food in the fridge. I have no reason to want to make more money other than proving that I can beat last month. And even in that sense, I don't want to do that. I don't care. I should just take what's in front of me. So there you go. Hopefully that brought some value to you for me being so transparent. Is it easy? No. Am I a little embarrassed to talk about this stuff? For sure. It's not easy, bro. This is the stuff like that goes through people's heads. It's just I'm just trying to get it out there. You know what I mean? So, okay, cool. Let me catch up. Stop, bro. I see myself. Stop, bro. I see myself when tilted. Haha. Yeah, exactly. Yes. If you would switch your bias, would be good, bro. I did. I was short this morning, and then I'm trying to go long, which that might play out. Don't look at the Discord. I definitely didn't take the trade short. Okay. Well, I won't. It's because it's before 9:30 EST. It's making a bearish pendant pattern. I don't really look at patterns like that. Papa Bear said hi. What's up? Good morning. We lost on purpose, Shaq. F alive. Yeah, we lost on purpose. NQ tapped. Let me check NQ. I'm NQ. Okay, nice. Yes, NQ is in our demand zone now. Technically, I'd be looking for longs, but right now I'm just going to wait till market open, take a breather. So yeah, I was already looking for longs. It tapped, but I'm not going to take it right now. All good, bro. Tomorrow's another day by day, 100%. What do you recommend to trade right now? I only look at NQ and gold. So kind of discussed what I'm looking for. I see now when you zoom out. Okay, gotcha. Yo, been a while, my man. Papa Bear hasn't been too long. I feel like I saw you last week, right? If not, then I'm like, I don't know. Take a break, bro. Don't stream your trades every day. I'm good. It's not about streaming trades every day. I was just looking at what I achieved last month. Subconsciously last night, I was, taking care of bills and doing life stuff. And I was like, oh, wow. We have X amount coming. So it's like, oh, geez, this offsetted this. And plus I have clients that still owe me this week. So I'm like, oh, wow, this is great. 25K. And wow, that's great. Can I do better this month? I think I remember asking myself last night, can I do better this month? And I think that has pushed me to take stronger size and size up and get in, so I'm just going to recognize those feelings. I'm totally fine trading live. There's no issues with me trading live. I'm not pressured by you guys in trading live. I think I've done this long enough to understand everybody's going to have their opinions, and it takes balls for anybody to go live and have. Yesterday we had 4,500 people watch. It takes balls to go live and have 4,500 people watch you lose money or make money, right? Obviously, yeah, I want to show you guys green days every single day, but I know that the green days are going to come to an end at some point. Today might be that day. But I say all that to say the live streaming doesn't pressure me. It's me pressuring me. And me talking through these things, hopefully you guys find some value. And if you do, I'd love to earn a subscription, a like, and also go to the Discord. It's completely free. But if you do find value in my conversation with myself and in front of you guys, then I'm doing what I want to do. Like, that's exactly why I'm doing what I want to do. And it keeps me accountable, right? And for you guys to watch me go on tilt right now, like, sucks, but like, it is what it is, man. Like, I mean, we all go through it. I mean, I think so. I don't want to speak on everybody's behalf, but you know, we all go on tilt. And even the best traders in the world that make so much money, millions of dollars, they have their days where they do go on tilt. It's just a matter of getting up and doing it again. So, and not gonna lie, but like, bro, I've been pressured. I've been pressuring myself. Last month we had a green month. You know what I mean? We had, out of all these days, we had one red losing day. So going into this month, I've been pressuring myself. It's like, can I do this again? Can I do this again? And that's causing me to be emotional. So now that I know it, I feel way better. I feel 10 times way better. So now, bro, is it because you were thinking about the money before? Just focus on the execution, 100%. Let the accounts build up. 1K withdrawals every 5 days from now on. I don't think that way. I don't look at dollar amount. I just trade what's in front of me. Nothing to be embarrassed about, bro. We all learning, 100%. Thank you. I'm new here. You just trading gold. What exactly do you do? Give daily setups and technical analysis, or what exactly? Cheers, bro. Yeah, I basically show up every day to the markets and talk about what I'm going to trade on NQ and gold. Obviously not financial advice, and anybody can do whatever they want, but there are traders who have passed evals and taken setups, and today is a day where the setup just didn't work out. That first trade that we took on gold, just one of those days, and I was fine with that. It's like, okay, cool. What I wasn't fine with was me sizing up and adding into the trade, or getting in too hard, like adding in too much. So I got a little emotional there, trying to size in. So this supply, just messy. Look at that. Crazy. Cray. I'm new here. I answered that. Papa Bear, Red Pill. Let's go. We just have 57 people hit that like button up to help us get to 75 likes. That's true. Guys, 75 likes equals 75K in evals. I tilted on GC last night, first time in a while. Blew a week's worth of profits in an hour. New day. Buzz, appreciate you being honest, brother. Not easy, and I'm with you. I just gave up yesterday's profit plus a little bit on this account. Made 1,100. So down $600, but that's okay. All hindsight, and now we just stay patient. So totally happy with what I'm happy with is that I'm able to recognize what's happening with myself. So I feel way more balanced in my emotions. I feel way more stable. I'm even okay taking a loss. If I were to take one more setup, totally fine taking a loss. Secondly, I'm happy that I've gotten this red, because yes, last month was so green. I was like, this is real. This is no way. This is fake. There's no way. So this red day, I'm taking it as, I'm trying to take the red day that we have right now, which it's not over, but I'm trying to take this moment to reflect and say, like, good for you, Shaq. You had a red day. You know, I'm just trying to tell myself, like, good for you, Shaq. You had a red day. It was coming. Because being green for so many days is like, I've heard so many traders who are on winning streaks. Some people are like 90 to 120 days, and they're just wait for that red day. And finally seeing, I most likely will be in the red today. I'm not going to try clawing my way back up. I'm going to try lessening the damage with whatever setup that shows up next. But with with that being said, I'm taking this as a learning but also positive mindset because of the pressure I've been under trying to stay green. I tilted on GC last night. I sent the trade I seen in the Discord, and the reason I took it is short on gold. Nice. Will, bro. I love it, dude. Almost blew my account last week. Going to slow roll this week. Nice, bro. Hey, all good. Almost. Even if you did blow it up, the market's always here for us. There's always another day. Checking you. Good for you on the Red Day Shack. Thanks, Fred. MNQ. Nice. MNQ is now in our 5-minute demand. Technically, no buys as of yet, based on what I see. I would have entered in and probably got stopped out already. With this 5-minute candle close, you've got to be careful. We'd really want to see it break above for any longs. I like gold, or let me go to MNQ and then copy this, MGC. Okay, now that we've had this all these 5-minute candles break these swing lows or higher high. Yeah, the swing lows technically, yes. Higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. We had all of it break. These 5-minute candles breaking these higher highs and lower highs. At market open, if for whatever reason gold rips and just starts running up really quickly, I'm going to look to short up in this 5-minute supply. LMA, bro, don't make money trading, because if you did, you wouldn't waste your time doing this live stream nonsense. So of course you are in the red today. If you were good at trading, you wouldn't be doing this. You just trade. Oh, not today, bro. Don't do it today. Not today. I'm not even going to bother with you. People are so hasty and say things they have no clue about. Just boggles my mind. Boggles my mind. Keyboard warriors, come say it to my face is all I have to say. We have a whole community of people here. Sorry, it really is pissing me off, but I'm just gonna let that be. All right, so I'm gonna look at going long here and the 5-minute supply, and wait for market open. The other problem, the other issue, is that we have a 5-minute supply right here with the 13 EMA that could potentially look good for shorts too. So I don't know if I'm going to take the short here or here at market open. We're just going to kind of see what happens. I used to work with you at the fruit stand. Just want to say I'm so proud of you and all your accomplishments. All that you accomplished at the fruit stand. Dana, Dan, and oh, the fruit stand. Dan. Bro, why'd you say the fruit stand? Bro, you got me like, what does he mean, the fruit stand? Bro, I am one dude, good times working with you, Dan. Amazing times. I remember I bought your Apple Watch from you, the gold Apple Watch. We were in Starbucks and I bought it from you, and I wore that for years, bro. I loved that thing. Obviously, got out of date, but thank you for jumping in, and thank you so much for leaving a comment, jumping on this stream. Means a lot to me, bro. I know when I quit the fruit stand, it was a rough day, but I hope you and Alexa are doing well. From what I saw, you guys are, and would love to connect with you. Thank you so much for jumping in here. When do you use fib, and how do you go about it to get accurate entry? Super Saba, I don't use fibs, brother. Unfortunately, I don't. It might be a good trading tool to add, but I unfortunately don't. Oh, Wolf, you deleted all them? That's a hater. Man, he terrible. Says the guy watching the stream. Yeah, exactly. Folks just can't even lie. Whose man's is this? Y'all crazy. Check that low key was funny, bro. Must be new here. LOL. Exactly. Timeout. Time. Exactly. Yeah. Will came in and just said nope. Nice, Will. Have you tapped in with silver yet? I have not. What's his name? Dylan trades silver quite a bit. It's just not something that's in my like wheelhouse. I mean, supply and demand might work pretty well. What is it? SL1? What is silver? What's silver on TopStep? Futures, bruh. SL1. I don't know why it won't let me look at it on TopStep. Is it MSL? Trades like GC and SIL. Thanks, guys. On TradingView, it says SL. So I was like, wait, what's going on here? All right, so if we're looking at silver, we're in a 1 hour demand over a chia. 1 hour demand chia. We broke these swing highs, so technically speaking, you could go long here. I would potentially look for safe buys down over chia at 85,880, which I'll make a alert there for 85,880. Oh, guys, thank you so much. Will, could you hold on? Let me get it. I got it. I'm gonna make a new invite link right now. No limit. Generate new link. Copy. All right, here we go. There's the new Discord link pinned at the top. All right, here we go. Gold's about to open up. Let me go. Mike Wazowski. Wanna go short on gold. That was pretty good, not gonna lie. It's pretty good, right? You guys know that. Mike Wazowski, Monsters Inc. Can't get in your Discord. Fibs good with silver too. Don't trade Silver Shack. Make sure it's micro. 100%. I won't. I'd want to see it bounce at 86,220. Silver. I mean, everybody's trading silver right now. 86,220. That's down there. Potentially. Mike Wazowski. My mantra is buy high and sell low. Okay. I mean, you're shorting, right? When you say that? Like buy high, meaning like you're shorting high and selling low. In the crypto world, my mantra is buy, and go extremely high and look at all the unrealized profits and then never sell and then now be in the negative. That's my mantra in crypto. Yo, appreciate the sub. Bye, 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 bye. And I'm gonna roll for you. And I'm gonna pay for two. Well, man, ain't it, but it ain't no lie, baby. Bye, 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 bye. I just sent it, man. I'm paying for two. Ain't my game, but it ain't no lie. Bye, bye, bye. Shorts in the 5-minute supply there. Shorts in the 5-minute supply. Potentially. Shorts up there. I don't know if I'm going to take it yet or not. We shall see. We're halfway to the light goal. Let's go. Let's go. I like it so far. So good. NQ breaking those lows, but coming back up, looking like it's stopping people out. Nasty wick down. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, leave it on a prayer. There's nothing to do right now, so I'm a little bored. Not gonna lie. I am slightly bored, and then we have job openings coming out at the top of the hour, so we gotta be pretty careful. 28 minutes. Looks like this 5-minute supply is holding. I'm looking for short 4924. I'm short 4927. I'm short 4927. TP 4918. Nice work, brother. Looking good. Looking good for you. Potentially was looking at shorts here in the 5-minute supply, but didn't take it because there's this 5-minute supply up here. GG's. G freaking G's. News link. You guys want the boom. This is what I use. All right, well that 5-minute supply held up nicely. Oh, NQ is selling. Ay caramba. Very nice. Very nice. NQ shorting.
filled.
All right, this is it for me, guys. Shouldn't have added 2 more. What was I thinking? Shouldn't have added 2 more. We're in a 5-minute supply, making the next leg lower, but the EMA is so far away still. So it might come up here and stop me out. Trying to give it some opportunity to reject. Yo, that was stupid close. Stupid close. We're still at risk here. I need to see this. I want to see this 1-minute candle flip. We're trying to go for the swing low down here, so let's see if we get it. We might not. Pretty sketch, pretty sketch. Looks like we're holding.
Order filled.
All right, I'm calling it a day. I'm legitimately calling it a day after that one. It was a 5-minute retracement into this 5-minute supply right here. So I was looking for it to continue making the next leg lower, which it might, unfortunately. But the 13 EMA was so far away that I was like, that's probably not good. So I'm calling it there. I'm done. I'm done. Max, $2,000. That sucks, but I'm totally fine with that trade. I actually like that trade. So it unfortunately could continue, and that would be really, really frustrating and angering, but it is what it is. So I think I'm going to take a little bit early, guys, because it's a little frustrating. But I still have these guys, actually. So maybe we just trade the evals, and that's it. So that's what I'll do. Is I'm going to trade the Lucid evals. Going forward. I'll trade the Lucid evals. How about that? The balance on evals is 40. Oh, you guys can't see it. 45,596. 45,596. Excuse me. Didn't mean to burp in y'all's faces. Didn't mean to. Bro, NQ is gone. If you took a short up on NQ, you're getting paid. You're getting paid. You guys are getting paid if you're short NQ. Unfortunately, the Dom is up. I had Dylan help me out with it, but the Dom is here to help us look at how much we're risking. Dom, like Dominic Toretto. That's every time I hear Dom, that's what I hear, is Dominic Toretto. Family. Family. If I were to take anything else, it'd be right up here in this 5-minute supply. How many more likes we need? 25 more likes, guys. Sorry, 35. How do I use the DOM? The DOM is, it's not something I use. It's more of, it's not like a Confluence or anything like that. It's just when I put an order in, I gotta go to main. When I put an order in, yo. Yo, how come you're not letting me trade, bro? Oh, dang, it's super slow right now. When you put an order in and it gets filled, it'll tell you how much you're risking. WTF NQ? Let me see. Yo, NQ is dumping, bro. It trapped all the buyers at the top, man. So if we go down to the 1 hour, these were the highs, and everyone thinking we're gonna go long, they're cooking them right now. Cooking them hard. I have job openings in 15 minutes, everybody. So stay tight. All right, it's about to get crazy up in here, everybody. It's about to get crazy up in here because we have news. Wish I could make this smaller. And then we have earnings also. NQ's trying to make a little comeback. All the buyers stepping up. Not really any sign of why or demand, I should say. But if it goes to fill the gap on the 1 hour on NQ, that would be a crazy move lower. So if we go to 1 hour, here's this 1 hour bullish candle. If it goes to fill this in and comes down here in this 1 hour demand, that would be absolutely insane. With news coming out, it might happen. Great vibes. I've been streaming from a balcony overlooking the pyramids. It's wild how much environment impacts focus. Whoa, bro, that is so cool. Looking at the pyramids, what in the world? That is crazy, bro. I used to build call centers. I still do whenever someone wants one. And I had a friend, he kind of did me dirty. Well, one of my employees who was pretty cool. I'm going to say his name. He's out there. He lives near the pyramids like you do, apparently. And he would go out the balcony and show us when we used to cold call, like roofs and stuff. And yeah, he showed us from his laptop. I was like, bro, it's insane to be looking at pyramids. But for you guys, I get it's like normal, you know? It's like you wake up, it's there. So it's pretty cool. You're trading and looking at pyramids, bro. You're winning right now, Auto Magic life. That is amazing. Help it get pushed to 75 likes on stream. 75 likes on stream equals a 50K and a 25K giveaway. We got to get 75 likes on the stream, guys. 75 likes, and I got you guys. 50K TX3 funded eval and a 25K funded eval. First trade, one on Lucid, was a winner. Let's go, Moolah. Nice job, bro. GG's. In hindsight, gold is just chopping. And so if you look at this 5 minute structure or price action, crazy. We're just ranging, and that's what's catching me. You know what I mean? We go down to the 1 hour on gold. And we have this mess. Crazy. Do we still get a 50? Nah, Will. Nah. Will? No, bro. This time I'm going all in. 75 likes, 50, and it's 25. I was a little too easy yesterday. A little too easy, bro. Bro, how much time after you passed funded account did you take your first payout? My first ever payout, it took like 2 weeks. That was last year. And then this last month, I passed it and got a payout the next week. So, because I'm doing mistake with funded like a beginner. Yeah, the mentality of being funded and also being in an eval, that's the hard part, guys. And you kind of just forget about being funded, to be honest. Dylan short on MGC. Nice work, bro. Nice work, Dylan. Very nice. No, I'm not trading my self-funded account. I'm too scared because that's like my real capital. So I'm just stacking it on prop firms, to be honest, bro. There's still $3,000 in that self-funded account that I haven't touched. Since I'm on my 5th payout with TopStep, I'm waiting for them to say, "Oh, you're gonna, go to live trading." I hope that after today's bad trading and going on tilt, that they don't ask me to go to live, and they let me keep trading. Sorry, guys, I got distracted by an email. I'm hoping that they don't take me to live, and they let me continue, trading some sim funded. Sorry, guys. Handling some work. What about 60? We still get the 50K. Will's trying to bargain with me. No, bro, I can't change it all the time. We got 75 for the whole shebang. The whole shebang. Will, you're a good negotiator. You should go into sales, bro. You're good at negotiating. Is this on your self-funded? No. Is there a Lucid discount? Not yet. I applied for Lucid and they didn't confirm with me yet. So about to get short on MES once it breaks my first 15-minute candle low. Nice. Maybe one day self-funded. 100%. Maybe it will be, bro. Will definitely. You will have a self-funded. I hear you. I would be too. Would you go live if the opportunity is there? To be honest, there isn't really much incentivization to want to go live with them. You get your account. You can do daily payouts after 30 days of green. I think for just the fact that you can say to go live, I think I'll do it once, but then eventually go to close the account and start over again. So I can't imagine that you actually are live funded with them. I think they probably just give you, because they say they just give your balance and they put you into one account. So if you have two 50K accounts with only like $3 or $4 grand in drawdown, they combine the 3 or 4 grand, or let's say you have 250K and I have $3 grand in drawdown available on each one of those. You can request 50% of the 6 grand and then trade with 3 grand live, or take all 6, put it into a live account, trade 6. Do I think that they actually are giving you 6 grand in live funds to trade? I don't know. We may never know. Probably they do for legal purposes. They probably do, but I don't know. Let's go, Eric. Let's go. Congratulations, bro. GG's. What's the difference between live and the one you're on? So if we're talking about TopStep specifically, live TopStep funded, like live TopStep funded, is trading their own real live capital, and you don't get you just get one big account. So whatever amount you have in available drawdown in the sim funded, they put it in live funded. If you're talking about like a live funded account for me, it's just $3,000 that I put into Tradeovate, which I haven't traded yet, that I could just trade just like regularly. So $3,000. GG's to you, Eric. GG's. All right, news is about to drop. Everybody stay tight. NQ is breaking, bro. NQ is literally dropping to that area that I just said would be crazy to hit. It's coming down. Insanity. All the people long up there are holding the bag. Two minutes. 1 minute, 14 seconds, I should say. If you went short on NQ, GG's to you, bro. Look at that momentum. Missed out on some shorts on the 1 minute. Scalping it. I'm waiting on gold. 75 likes. Are there going to be just a giveaway for your moderators? You know what? Yeah, when I get 10 moderators, sure, but I only got one, Will. Will, you're crazy, bro. Oh, man. All right, job openings. Weird. Doesn't say. My goodness, shorts on NQ. What's up with that 25K? The 25K giveaway? Bruh. You gotta find out. Ah, that's right. Government shutdown, so they're not going to release what the actual data is, which is absolutely insanity. That is crazy. I like NQ shorts up at 25,760 area. Don't know if we're going to get it. Is gold not gonna give us? Yo, yo, yo. Appreciate the sub. AZIMFX. Appreciate the sub. Ay caramba. Ay caramba. Gold is playing games. Quit playing games with my heart. With my heart. With my heart. Dylan. I should have known from the start. The Jolt News is tentative, yes. Dylan, your boy went on tilt today, bro. Went on tilt live. You can watch it back later. I'm looking at shorts on Lucid account up over Chia if we get it. We're looking at gold on the screen right now, brother. Leto, nice, man. Nice. Yeah, you can. It's only 5 winning days above 150, right? Oh, nice. If you guys are in the Discord, you guys are more than welcome to join in the live talk trade with Dylan as he talks through some trades and he talks through what his setups are. You got to be in the Discord to join him. He's a verified trader. He's somebody I trade with. Our setups are generally about the same. He trades ICT, and I'm supply and demand. We're human. It's bound to happen every now and then. 100%, Dylan. 100%, yes. Yes. So if you're in the Discord, everybody, if you're already in the Discord, Dylan's in there. He'll be trading post after I get off because I usually leave a little bit early. He'll be in there afterwards, and you guys can join, and sometimes I join as I'm driving to my destination. So please feel free to join Dylan in the Discord. It's called Live Talk. He'll be in there talking through trades. He's a profitable trader, verified by me personally. He lives here in Arizona, so I would not be like shouting somebody out in our crew and team if they weren't profitable. So you can take Dylan's word for it. NQ. NQ right here seems pretty interesting to me. But we're going to give this shot on gold short. My trades are more like Arnold Palmer. Freaking Dylan is a dad, so he has dad jokes available. He has plenty, I'm sure. Dylan with the dad jokes. Instead of ICT, he always calls it iced tea. So then now he's saying Arnold Palmer. Freaking Dylan. Freaking Dylan. I was gonna call you Dylan, but I don't think that's I don't think you'd like that, so I'm not gonna call you Dylan, because Dill is weird. Okay, Dill. NQ about to hit this 1 hour demand. Oh, snap. I forgot to charge the freaking batteries, bro. Freaking Shaq. What's an egg's favorite car? Egg's favorite car? Feel has something to do with the yolk. Dylan, sale? Sale what? What are we selling? A Yolkswagon. See, I told you it had something to do with the yolk. Freaking dad jokes. A Yolkswagen. Unkensnagen. Five-minute supply seems a little sketch, not gonna lie, with the 1 hour candle. Seems a little sketch.
Order filled.
Wait, it says I'm filled. Oh, I only got filled half.
Order filled.
Whoa, 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 whoa. How am I risking $1,000? This doesn't make any sense. How am I in 12 contracts? I don't know how that happened, but something's not right on... I must have not deleted an order. Don't make sense. I don't make sense. It don't make sense. How many micros? How many winning days? Last month we were one losing day. Then today I'm red on my TopStep accounts, so it's going to be my first red day in a long time, my friend. Copy trading, yep, I'm trading the two. Yeah, that's the thing though. If I look at this one, I'm in 12 accounts. This one I'm in only 4. So I don't know. I'll just get out all of them. Maybe didn't fill the other 4. That's probably what happened. It's probably what happened. I must have had other orders. Remember it lagged earlier, so I'm guessing it may have like submitted those orders and never took them out. Uh-oh. What did Will send me? Yes, 100%. Yes. Will, I'm going to use that later. Thank you so much. Bro, just post that in the freaking Discord, bro. That is hilarious. How much to hit 1,500 a day? That's a good question. I'm gonna have to watch. I'm gonna have to watch these. I'm gonna have to watch this one for sure. These aren't funded. These are just evals. I'm going to try closing this out at 1500 when I see it.
Order filled.
Oh, so close. That was so close. All right, well, that one we already logged out on. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see if it continues here. I'll move my stops to break even. Oh, I can just do it here. 1500. All right, that's 1500 on this account. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. NQ Eli. Thank you so much. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on and sell. Sell, 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 sell. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Sell, 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 sell. Say it with me, guys. Sell, 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 sell. Say it with me, guys. Sell, sell, sell. Come on, I don't hear you. Say it with me, guys. Sell, 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 sell. Say it with me, guys. Sell, 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 sell. Sell, 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 sell. Sell, 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 sell. Say it with me, guys. Sell, sell, sell. Let's go, Eric. I can't hear you from the East Coast. Sell, 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 sell. Come on, man. Don't do this to me, bro. Come on, man. Don't do this to me, bro. Oh, wait. We need more than 15. We need more than that. We need more than that. We need more than that. I don't know why 1,500 is profit. We were a negative for the day. So I have to let that, we have to let that breathe. Sorry. We were close. Can't make more than 1,500 in a day. Oh wait, yeah, you can't make more than 1,500. Oh yeah, I'll finish the day in 1,500. Wait, no, I don't know. I'm confused. Sell, 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 sell. All right, so we have a new 5-minute supply right here. I'm going to see if we could tap into this and add in. Appreciate everybody just watching and not saying much. It's just means a lot. You guys just hanging out with me. Oh man, Will's meme inside of the meme section is hilarious. It says Shaq MT 3.12K degenerates. I don't have subscribers. We got degenerates, bruh. I'm looking to add into this trade here in this 5-minute supply to see if we get it. No! No! No, don't leave us. Come on, guys. Tell Gold, don't leave us. Say, Gold, don't leave us. Come on, tell Gold, don't leave us. Come on, Gold. Don't do me dirty like that, man. Don't do me dirty like that, man. Eric, Eric now is arrows. Eric has arrows going like this now. Which way do we go, Eric? Oh man, gotta put this memory card in my camera. Come on, Gold. Gold is leaving us. I mean, we're still in, which is fine. But I was hoping to get filled in that area. Hey, appreciate the subscription, Mr. Browski. Everyone like the stream for the giveaway? You should listen to Moolah. He's about right. 75 likes equals 75K in funded accounts, which is a 25K and a 50K. Oh, am I playing double music? Thanks, Jay. I'm going to figure that out. Thanks for being the only person out of everyone that watches the stream that tells me that I am double music playing. I can see the future. The market is going to go. Yeah, that should be our symbol. Where's the market going to go today? And we just put that arrow and my song. Is your song playing too, bro? It's not playing, Will. All right, I'm waiting for this 5-minute supply. I want it to add in. Come on, give us a push. Add us in. We're losing volume here. It's starting to get kind of chop suey. Okay. All right, sick. All right. Well, maybe we get to listen to the giveaway song today. I don't know. Appreciate the sub. Come on and sell, bro. Come on and sell. You know you want to sell, bro. You know you want to sell. So just daggone sell. Don't want to sell. Okay, guys, I got to get it hit on the road. So let's see if we get filled on this NASDAQ trade. If we get filled at that 5-minute supply, I'll be going in. But I got to get going. I got to hit the road. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Thank you for joining the stream. Hit the sub. Join the Discord. You know, do all the things. I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, join Dylan in the Discord. You guys probably already are. Peace out. Peace in the Middle East, y'all.